everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maddie. Today we are discussing Dôen summer. I'm so excited. This will be part one of my Dôen summer haul. I did have to record this into two different parts, so hopefully there's minimal disruptions throughout this video. I actually had a lot of luck. I really was in need of some easy breezy summer dresses, and Dôen definitely delivered. I also was in need of an outfit to wear for my birthday, which I did find and I did wear already. So I will have everything linked down below that I'm discussing, and I would love to hear in the comments if there is any item in particular that you have been loving from Dôen summer. So the first piece that I picked out is not really a new item, and I've tried these shorts a million times. This is the Evette short, but I've never tried them in cotton. One of the things I don't really love about this short is the ones in silk are delicate and finicky and dry clean only. The cotton came back into stock for this year. They had them last year, but they sold out before I could try them. So I decided to order them and see if I liked them. I have a similar skirt in this cotton and lace composition from them that I really liked last summer. I do like these better than the silk ones. I think they are a little bit easier to wear. They're a little less finicky, but overall I kind of found them too sheer for my liking. They say that they're pretty opaque on their website, but I kind of disagree with that. I just didn't feel comfortable, especially since it's a short. It's already showing a lot of skin, and I found that because it was also sheer, these just were not for me. I did get these in my regular size small. I get a small in the styles with a elastic waistband just because I like the way that they sit. I found that they were pretty true to that sizing. I do like the cotton fabric, but they were a little too sheer for me, so I'm gonna send these back. The next piece that I tried is the new bee dress. I got really excited for this one because last week in New York, we had a couple days that were in the 90s. It was so hot, unseasonably warm. When it's that warm, I always reach for my pieces, especially from Dôen, that are cotton or linen, and they are like super flowy and don't touch the body. So when I saw this dress, I thought this was the perfect dress for a hot summer day. Another reason why this really appealed to me is because this is 100% Ramie, and I really love Ramie. It's such a light, easy, breathable fabric and has a little bit of a nice texture and hand feel. I really like all the details on the straps and the neckline here. It does sit higher up on the neck. The other reason I was really excited for this piece is oftentimes when they do dresses like this, these big kind of tent dresses that are meant to be worn in the hot summer, they usually only make them in white or black. Seeing that they brought it out in a fun color like this blue, which is definitely a color that I gravitate towards and love to wear, just was exciting for me. However, that is where the positives end for me. This dress just did not fit me right. It was just way too wide and balloon-like on me. And I also kind of found the underarm and strap a little tight, which is funny because I feel like that's not often my problem with Dôen. I often feel like this is a little too long and loose, the strap area, but this pulled across my back. I got this in an extra small, which is my typical size for dresses that are bigger and oversized like this. I don't really think that sizing up to a small would solve my problem because even though the armhole might be a little bit bigger, the rest of the dress would be even bigger too, and that was part of my issue. Also, while I love this color, it's really hard to get past the thought that this looks like a hospital gown, slash it also kind of makes me look like one of the twins from The Shining. Unfortunately, this is going to be going back. This was not a winner for me. Maybe if you are taller, the proportions on this might be better for you, but as somebody who is 5'3", this just was not the dress for me. So those were two misses, unfortunately. Now some good news. I have one piece that did work out for summer. So speaking of dresses for summer weather, this is the Julia dress. And this is a dress that they launched, I can't remember if it was, not this style, but this print in particular. I think it was 2 summers ago, or maybe it might have been 3 summers ago. They released the Julia dress in this wonderful gingham print. It sold out immediately, and ever since then, I have been trying to find this dress on the secondhand market, and I have been unsuccessful. And the other day, I was browsing the Dôen selection on Nordstrom's website, and I noticed that they had launched this colorway again. This colorway is not on the Dôen website. This is only on their wholesale partner website, so I saw it on Saks, I saw it on Nordstrom. I don't know if I've seen this one on Net-a-Porter yet. So Saks or Nordstrom for sure have this style, and I snapped this up immediately. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to add this to my collection. I love the Julia dress because this is the perfect oversized, it is too hot outside to function kind of dress. I find that even though this is big, it is still a relatively flattering style. Looks great with flats, or honestly, I just wear it with flip-flops and take myself to the park and plant myself there and read my book all day when it's too warm outside. I really love the little subtle puff sleeve. Has some really nice trimming that adds some structure here. Overall, I just find that this kind of style flatters me a little bit more than the bee dress did. I got this one in a size extra, extra small because I remember from a few years ago, the last time I tried on a Julia dress, it's been a while. I haven't really liked any of the prints or colors that they've come out with since this one. I remember this one runs quite big, and it is true, it does. So I found that sizing down to the extra, extra small was perfect. And I love this dress, and I'm gonna take it on a trip because I'm going somewhere where it is pretty hot right now. Next up, we have an oldie but a goodie. This is the Nessie dress. I have actually tried this before in the past, I think maybe 2 years ago. I really can't remember, time flies. But I tried it on in the white, and I just didn't love the way that it looked on me. Honestly, it looked a little bit like a pillowcase. So I let it go and didn't really think of it ever again. However, they just brought it back, and I thought, you know what? I didn't love the white, but I really do love the easy breezy shape. This looks just like the traveler top on top, but obviously is a mini dress. And I love it on other people. So I thought, why not try the black? I thought the black looked much less pillowcase-like and was more what I was looking for in a dress like this. So this one has definitely worked out for me. I have been wearing this nonstop. I've already been wearing this. I got it in a size extra, extra small. That's my other tip, is to size down in this one and it will look a little less pillowcasey. I really like the length. It's really mini, but that's pretty nice for me as somebody who is shorter. I'm 5'3". If you are tall, this is probably going to be really short on you unless you maybe get your true size or even size up. It has a lot of the same details as the traveler top, so same sleeve, same embroidery details, and then on the bottom hemline it has this really nice eyelet. This has been an awesome dress. I've really been loving wearing this, especially when it's really, really hot out. We've had a few days that are kind of hot, so this has been my go-to on those days. Perfect, and I like that I can wear it around the house. It's also the perfect dress to throw over a swimsuit in the summertime. Finally, the last dress that I picked up recently from Dôen that was a total winner for me was the Serena dress. Let me get it. Kind of a lot of fabric going on here. This is so pretty. It caught my eye immediately, and I thought, now that looks like something that I should wear for my birthday. It's super girly, but I like that it has a little bit of a V-neck, low-cut neckline because I think that that makes it a little less overly sweet. I think it would be easy for this to be super sweet with all the ruffles and, of course, this floral print. But I think the V-neck and the fitted elastic make it something that you can wear out at night depending on occasion. This is the perfect daytime summer dress. Like, I can see myself wearing this to girls' brunch or going shopping with friends. But I also, like I mentioned, wore this on my birthday, and I went out for like a really nice casual sushi dinner, and I found it to be appropriate for that as well. So it really can be worn quite a few different ways. It honestly kind of reminds me of the Leanne dress a little bit, with all of the elastic and the shearing throughout the top here. It also has a dropped waist with that elastic, and I just find that to be pretty flattering on me in a style like this. I also really like the colors in the flower print. It's kind of like a blue, green, pink situation, which is just perfect for my coloring. I really love this one. I really enjoyed wearing this on my birthday, and I'm excited to wear it again soon. So that concludes part 1 of my Doen summer haul. Part 2 will be coming very, very soon. I'm a little behind on the Doen summer. I was traveling. So I will see you sooner than you might think in my next Doen video. Bye.